12 chapter, Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. This chapter is not just key for your boards, but also a neat favorite. We'll break it down with diagrams, real-life examples, and simple explanations. So stay till the end and don't forget to take notes. Let's start with the basics, the structure of a typical flower. Every complete flower has 4 whorls: calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. The first 2 are accessory organs, but the androecium and gynoecium are essential for reproduction. Now, let's focus on the male reproductive structure, the stamen. Each stamen has a filament and an anther, where pollen is produced. Inside the anther, pollen mother cells undergo meiosis to form microspores, developing into pollen grains. Each pollen grain has 2 layers, exine and intine, with 2 cells inside. A vegetative cell controls the growth of the pollen tube, and a generative cell divides to form 2 male gametes. Now to the female part, the carpel or pistil, consisting of stigma, style, and ovary. Inside each ovule is a megaspore mother cell, which undergoes meiosis to form 4 megaspores. Only one survives and develops into the embryo sac, crucial for exams. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from anther to stigma, with 3 main types: autogamy, geitonogamy, and xenogamy. To ensure cross-pollination, plants have outbreeding devices like dichogamy, hercogamy, and self-incompatibility. Pollination requires agents: abiotic like wind and water, and biotic like insects, birds, and bats. Once pollen reaches a compatible stigma, it germinates, and a pollen tube grows toward the ovule. Now comes double fertilization, unique to angiosperms, forming a zygote and endosperm. This efficiency is why angiosperms are so successful evolutionarily. Humans also play a role in plant reproduction through artificial hybridization. Steps include emasculation, bagging, and controlled pollination. This helps develop plants with better yield, disease resistance, and other traits. And that wraps up our deep dive into sexual reproduction in flowering plants. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, share it with your classmates, and subscribe. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to all of them. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.